Hello guys, it's me, Red896, and today we're going to be playing some Noob Train. Let's get right into the game. Shout out to starcode_Sammy. He showed me this in one of his previous videos, and yeah, so we're going to get right into the game. So first I put noobs. I'm just going to do like 100. Okay, it just added one more one. What should we do, OMG Senpai? Your username? But OMG is Senpai. Okay. Okay, now we have to do check mark. Oh, what is your skin? What is your skin? It's just like your skin is very fun. So, OMG Senpai, let's do some more YouTubers. starcode_Sammy. This is him. Oh my. I'm friends with him on Roblox. Wait. Okay. They're just like, they follow your. If we're just gonna. This is.
Where are you?
Let's do me. We can't do the video without me.
Wait. What?
OMG Senpai. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at it, dude. Wait.
I see you. Why'd you just fling? Hey, look. Hey, I'm over here. I'm floating. I'm floating. I'm floating. I'm floating. I'm floating. Do you see me? I'm floating. Let's do. Shout out to Bossman. I don't know if he has a YouTube channel, but shout out to Bossman, right?
Yeah. Do you see me right now? You see me?
Just do that.
This
This is him. Follow him. Go follow him right now. His name's Bossman090911. He told me that's like his favorite number. Something.
No! This noob is chasing me! This noob is knocking me out! Help!
Let's just do, who else should we do? Let's try another YouTuber. Okay, comment down below your Roblox username. We will do it, 100%. Brad 896 return. This is my old account, by the way. I did not know how to change my character, and then I just left it. I just left it abandoned for like a million years, but yeah, I'm good.
Help! Please! Red896, help me!
So, why are you so... What happened?
Help!
Your face is so beautiful.
Yeah, you like it?
Do you like mine?
This noob keeps knocking me out.
Hey, bud. You want to watch some TV?
Yeah, I definitely want to watch some TV. I'm watching some TV.
There we go.
Three.
Oh my! Your head! Follow me. You have my merch on? Your robot is literally thin. It's like paper.
I know, I'm
Watch some TV. How am I moving?
Hold on, I need to get this noob to knock me out. I need a noob to knock me out.
This is insane.
Okay, now...
It's kind of laggy. Whose name is this? I'll be very disappointed whose name is this.
I think I just...
No. What the?
I just needed a noob. Let me watch TV!
Watch some TV. Let's try Flamingo.
What the heck is wrong with you?
I'm a TV, by the way.
You know what?
Go follow me in Roblox. My name's Radbrad89610.
You know what? You are a what?
We're just gonna.
I like keep these pennies to myself. I like pennies.
Dudes. Look at these.
Look at me. Okay.
What should I do? Shout out to FGTV Return.
Say finally.
No, please. I don't wanna.
Finally, I can keep these pennies to myself.
Finally, I can keep my pen. It's just FGTV. Just everyone circle. Look at me. Look on my TV flying there. Help me.
I can see your tiny body.
This is insane. Help me. I'm flying. I'm a flying TV. Flying TV. There's only a 1. Let's just make it a 1. We just want 1 FGTV. Just 1.
I'm eating the ground right now.
Looks like FGTV is just chasing me.
I'm
Rad.
Whee!
Rad.
Yummy.
8, 9, 6, 10.
Yummy. I'm a car.
I don't like you. Why is there so much of me? I only put 1. Imagine just a million of these heads. Like, that's what I'm seeing right now. Just a million of these heads. OMG, somebody. This is all I'm seeing. Just a million of these heads. You gotta watch the video to see what I'm seeing right now. Dude, this is... I see a Jimmy Bobson head. That's what we call Felipe. Jimmy Bobson head. Just rolling around the streets. And then I see another one that's like... just bumping into my TVs. TV! I just gotta reset. Oh, imagine this tiny person trying to run around when there's just a bunch of TVs in the air. Like in tiny people and TVs. Okay, there we go. All the TVs are gone.
Okay.
Look at that boy.
I like pennies.
No one likes that.
I like pennies. I like pennies.
Imagine just...
Speed is gonna be very, very high. I like pennies.
We're just gonna do 9 million trillion thousand billion thousand million thousand trillion thousand million thousand million thousand million of me. So guys, that's all for today on my channel, and we'll see you later. Bye.